everyone. My name is Mercy Udom once again. You're welcome to my episode. This is another episode of Health is Wealth. What shall it profit a wealthy man, having all the material wealth and you don't have health? And honestly, I must tell you today that we are all of us, as long as we are living and we eat food, we are the product of the things that we like to eat. We function according to what we feed our system with, the kind of food we eat, how we prepare them, the handling of the foods that we eat. They're very important, how you handle your cooking, and it's also very important to your health, the selection of things that you put together as food and that you eat. Yes, today I'm going to prepare roast vegetables and steak. Yes, that's what we are having on our table today. So that's what I will be preparing. Now, I have already grilled my meat, which I'm setting aside because that is the aspect that really takes more time. So it's been grilled. I spiced it up. In my next episode, maybe I'll be able to show you how I marinated my meat before grilling it. So that is being set aside. Yes, now I have my sweet potato. I opted to use sweet potato in my grilled vegetable because there's more health value, nutritional value to this. So I chose to use sweet potato. And my sweet potato had been parboiled, and then I grilled it separately in my air fryer. This air fryer, it's so fantastic. I use air fryer to grill it to start with so that the cooking process at the end of the day becomes very quick and short. If you're the type who you go to work, you have family, and you have to keep to time, you have timetable for your feeding, at a particular time you have a set time for your meals. This is a very quick way of doing it, and it's also a very healthy way of preparing your fries. I didn't use any oil in this grilling with my air fryer. It fries with heat and air. And it's very healthy. You don't need to put oil in it. So that has been set aside. The same thing with my pumpkin. I parboiled it, then I grilled it quickly in the air fryer. And you can actually achieve this in 5 minutes. Then this is my broccoli and my cauliflower. Here I have my red pepper. The red pepper has so much medicinal value. This contains more than 200% of your daily required vitamin C intake. And I can tell you that paprika and your red bell pepper is very rich, and it has a lot of medicinal value. The nutritional content will amaze you. So I opt to use paprika or red sweet pepper. Red sweet pepper, the bell pepper comes in different forms. You can have it in yellow pepper, in green pepper, or in red pepper. I opt for the red pepper because I want my colors in the meal to be complete. I have yellow, I have orange color, I have red color, I have the green color, I have white, and then I have the spring onions here. Now, before I go on, I want to tell you a little bit about the red pepper. If you don't know, the red pepper contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps your wound to heal quickly. It makes hair grow. It makes your skin to glow. It takes away wrinkles. Many people have asked me for the secret of the upkeep of my body and how I manage to keep young. Yes, those who knew me from grassroots, they know my age. I am well over 40 years old. I am well over 40 years old, but let's leave that for another day. I'm sure I'm going to be having my interview very soon. Then you will get to know my exact age. And then because of my combination of spices, it's showing in my looks, in my build, and in my fitness. And that is one of the things I use most of the time, and I don't do without, is my paprika or my red bell pepper. Red bell pepper also decreases the risk of heart attack. It maintains your skin, your hair. It also aids easy digestion. And I hope you would learn from this, and then you learn to use it. You use it in your rice, in any dish that you prepare. You can even make your stew with it, just the red pepper, and you enjoy your meal going forward. Here I have 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. I have a handful of spring onions. I actually plucked this from my garden. I have spring onions in my garden. I have vegetables in my garden. I will soon be showing you all of that. Here I have my hot ground chili. I have my coriander leaves, crushed here. I've got my vegetable. Now I'm going to show you. I got this vegetable stock from this Kent Pharmacy, where from the health section. This is gluten-free and is GMO-free. That is because I have one of my daughters has an allergy, and honestly, the more you eat things free of GMO, the better for all of us. So here you have the vegetable stock, and here I have my a combination of salt, the pink salt. Himalayan salt is a pink salt, parsley and salt, 3 in 1. I also got it from this Ken. It's also it doesn't have GMO. It's just very pure salt, and it's natural. So that's what I have on this side. Everything is going to be used in this cooking. I have my oil, the cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. Here it is. Here I have my fresh lemon cut up already, and I have 1 teaspoon of pure honey. And now I will go ahead with my mixing. So with this having been grilled already in my air fryer, it prevents me from having it soggy when I put it into the oven. What I have seen in the past is people just put oil, a lot of oil, and then put it into the oven. By the time it comes out, it becomes so soggy. So right now I'm going to use some oil, apply some oil in my pan. I'm going to have to rub the pan with a little bit of oil. Remember, this is grilling pan, so you don't want the vegetables sticking to the bottom of the pan. So that is why I have to base it with oil. And the first thing that goes in there will be my potato. Potato goes in, I spread it around. Yeah. Then I spread it in there. Make sure it's evenly spread out and sitting well, so that it can contain all the vegetables. All right. Then I have my pumpkin going in there. You can see. So this makes it a lot quicker. By the time it goes into the oven, in 10 minutes, I'll bring it out, because I also do not want my broccoli and cauliflower overcooked. Then I'll put in my precious red pepper. My superfood, red pepper, the magic medicine. This is health is wealth. we use food, we eat food as if it's medicine. You have to be intentional about how you feed, how you eat. I'm going to sprinkle the spring onions all around it. This will give it taste and aroma. Yes, so you spread it around evenly. Then put this aside. Now, it's time to put in my broccoli and cauliflower. I'm going to put it nicely spread around, well spaced, so that the heat will go in and it can get to the bottom of the pan evenly. And I'm not going to keep it there for too long, I promise you, because it's just going to be there for 10 minutes. We should be mindful not to overcook our vegetables. Okay. Now it's time for me to, I'm going to set this aside now. Then I'll have this mixed together. And I'll set it aside. I have the lemon fruit, which I'm going to juice now. Let me show you. As you can see, I have equivalent of 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. If you have good lemon, it should give you 2 tablespoons of juice or 3. But from the size that I cut up, I knew it was going to give me 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I know this because I use it all the time. I use lemon. Lemon is my friend. So 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in there. Then I have my 1 teaspoon honey. Go in there and mix it up. Mix it up properly. Then I'll put in the garlic. That's it. Now I'm going to set this aside. Bring back my vegetable pot. I'll first of all spread in this, sprinkle it evenly. Remember, your sweet potato has got its natural sweetness, and your pumpkin also naturally sweetened. Thank God for the blessing of these meals. The purpose of using lemon and garlic is to make it a bit sweet and sour taste. And hence, I'm not going to keep this for too long in the oven, because part of the vegetable that I need cooked thoroughly has already gone through that process. So I'm going to sprinkle this. But in case you don't have air fryer, if you don't have air fryer, please do not add this at the initial stage of putting your vegetables into the oven. Make sure your vegetable is well and thoroughly cooked. Bring it out, then you can mix in your garlic, lemon juice, and the honey, because you don't need to overheat it. It doesn't need much heat, otherwise you're going to kill it. So right now, my 1-pot vegetable is ready to go to the oven. So I will be back to show you when the food is ready. It's going to be in there for just 10 minutes because I use gas. Thank you for following us. I hope you'll be patient to watch when the food is ready, and we'll invite you to the table. Thank you. Once again, my name is Mercy Udom on Health as Well. Health is Wealth. Please press the button below, subscribe, share, and place your comment there. If you want to register with us to be able to have access to our programs, please leave a comment and then we'll get back to you. Thank you very much.